Welcome to 2022 Tibetan Football, FIFA, World Cup Prediction Challenge. How to score points in group stage, predicting the correct finishing position per team, 2 points. Predicting the entire group correctly, 10 points. How to score points in knockout stage, correctly predicting a matchup during any round, 5 points. Correctly predicting a team making it to the quarter-finals, 2 points each. Correctly predicting a team making it to the semi-finals, 10 points each. Correctly predicting a team making it to the final, 20 points each. Correctly predicting the world champions, 50 points. Correctly predicting the runner-up, 30 points. Correctly predicting a team making it to the third place round, 10 points. Correctly predicting third place winner, 20 points. Correctly predicting the fourth place team, 10 points. How to score points in individual prize awards, correctly predicting the best player, 25 points. Correctly predicting the top goal scorer, 30 points. Correctly predicting the best goalkeeper, 25 points. Correctly predicting the best young player, 23 points. If you are interested to enter the contest, DM us at Instagram. You'll receive a PDF file of match fixtures and schedule bracket predictor after you enter the contest. Print the PDF file in A4 size paper and fill the bracket predictor form. After you finished filling the bracket form, direct message it to Tibetan Football Instagram. Here we keep all the record and updating the point table ranking through Tibetan Football Instagram and Facebook page. Important notes: please don't forget to mention your Instagram username, phone number, and name in bracket form. The entry fee is only 150 rupees. You can pay your entry fee through UPI ID. You will get the UPI ID through Instagram message. The winner's prize will announce soon. Stay tuned. Believe us, it will be more exciting like never before. Peace.